Everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on background app refresh on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the settings app. Go to the general settings. Here, locate the background app refresh option. Then tap on it. Again, tap on the background app refresh option from the top of the list. Finally, you will see three options: off, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Tap on either the Wi-Fi option or Wi-Fi and mobile data option. And this is how you can turn on background app refresh on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.